Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz A Class 2.0 A35 AMG Premium Plus SpdS DCT 4MATIC. This vehicle is a petrol automatic. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Jupiter red gloss paint. To start off with, then, you have your multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 19-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels with a black finish, really complementing the Jupiter red exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you can find you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that extra passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable as well as being memory seats, so you can find a comfortable position and save it, and they are also heated. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 32,628 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. And you also have configurable ambient lighting, allowing you to adjust the colour, making the interior of the car that bit more personal to you. The lighting can be found across the dash and door cards. And you also have seat kinetics, which moves the seat ever so slightly, ideal for those longer journeys, ensuring you stay comfortable for longer. You also have your dynamic select with a variety of different driving modes, so you can find one suited to you and your driving style, along with a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz A Class 2.0 A35 AMG Premium Plus SpdS DCT 4MATIC that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.